Hi, I'm going to pick the winner for the Knit Crate Yarn giveaway. If you'd like to become a member, you get 2 skeins of yarn with a booklet of patterns each month for $24.99. If you sign up under me, you can put in the promo code JEWEL20 and get 20% off. That's listed down below if you're interested. I have 2 books on Amazon that are crochet books for sale. If anybody's interested, everything um, that is a promotion is listed down below. Etsy has my crochet mugs if anybody's interested as well. Okay, so let's see who the winner is. If you are the winner, please contact me within a week or so, or I'll have to pick a new winner. Also, this winner, I'll place my email down below so you can contact me as soon as possible. I have a new Facebook group and page because I was hacked. So if anybody hasn't signed up for that, I'm trying to build up that page. If anybody would like to be um, would like it and also be a part of the group, it's listed down below. Let's see who the winner is. Rosie Osborne. Thank you for the great giveaway, Working on Mittens. Okay, well, congratulations. This is for the Feels Like Butter yarn. And so that one was actually pretty popular in the comments. So that one I'll be sending out to you soon. I hope I hear from you soon. Everybody, look out for new giveaways. I try to do them a few times a month. Just make sure you're a subscriber and comment down below on the giveaways. Thank you for watching.